If bedtime feels exhausting, if your child resists sleep, if nights end with frustration or guilt, you are not failing as a parent. Sleep is not just a habit. Sleep is emotional. Sleep is biological. Sleep is deeply connected to how safe and calm a child feels. Tonight, we're going to talk about 4 very common mistakes parents make before bedtime. Not to judge, not to blame, but to gently understand and slowly change. Because bedtime is not about control, it's about connection. And when connection is strong, sleep comes naturally. Let's begin. Mistake 1. Too much screen time before bed. Screens are everywhere. Phones, TVs, tablets, and many parents use screens before bed hoping it will calm their child. But what actually happens inside a child's brain is very different. Screens send bright light and fast movement directly to the nervous system. This tells the brain, stay alert, stay awake, something exciting is happening. Melatonin, the sleep hormone, gets delayed. So even if your child's eyes look tired, their brain is wide awake. This is why kids toss and turn, kids ask endless questions, kids suddenly get energy at bedtime. It's not misbehavior, it's stimulation. Instead of screens, try slow-down signals, dim lights, soft voices, gentle movements, quiet routines. Remember, a calm brain falls asleep faster than a tired body. Mistake 2. Talking too much when kids are overtired. This mistake comes from love. When kids don't listen at bedtime, parents explain, correct, lecture. But an overtired child cannot process long sentences. Their brain is already overloaded. So when we talk more, they resist more. You might notice whining, crying, arguing, sudden emotional outbursts. This is not disrespect. This is exhaustion. At bedtime, less words work better. Instead of explaining why you must sleep, try calm, short phrases. It's sleep time now. I'm here. You are safe. Silence can be more calming than instructions. Your calm presence is more powerful than your words. Mistake 3. No consistent bedtime routine. Children feel safe when life is predictable. A bedtime routine is not a schedule, it's a signal. When the same steps happen every night, the body prepares for sleep automatically. Without a routine, kids feel unsure, and uncertainty creates resistance. A simple routine can be bath, pajamas, quiet story, cuddle, sleep. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be consistent, even on busy days, even on tired nights. Routine builds security. Security builds sleep. Mistake 4. Giving in to every delay tactic. One more hug, one more story, one more sip of water. These requests are not manipulation. They are connection requests. But when parents say yes every time, kids learn sleep is optional. This creates confusion. Instead, respond with loving limits. You can say, I love you, it's sleep time now. Boundaries don't break trust, they build it. When kids know what to expect, they relax, and relaxed children fall asleep easier. Let's remember something important. You are not raising a perfect sleeper. You are raising a human being. Messy bedtimes do not mean you are doing something wrong. Calm teaching today creates peaceful nights tomorrow. Go slow, stay gentle, be consistent. And remind yourself, you're not failing, you're learning, and your child is learning too. Good night. You're doing better than you think.